Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I'm so excited to stamp with you today with these really cute projects that I made, and they're so easy. Using the Bloom Where You're Planted suite of products that includes the Plentiful Plants stamp set and coordinating dies. There's also some designer series paper that I am going to use to create some really simple cards. So I'm going to feature the note cards and envelopes. These are a little bit smaller sized cards that we have in the catalog, and they come pre-scored, though occasionally the score lines don't exactly line up. So sometimes you gotta give it a little attitude adjustment. So I've got my note card here. These are sized 3.5 by 5 inches, and then there is a coordinating envelope that goes with them. So on my little note card, what I'm going to do is take some of that paper, and you can see there's all of these really cute plants, and then I just fussy cut out a couple of the designs. So I'm going to do this one right here. I kind of already cheated and got it started. So whenever I cut something like this, I like to take the paper and move it around and keep my snips in one place. And that helps me get a nice even border on whatever it is that I'm cutting out. And I like to add that border because then it hides any imperfections in my cutting. So if I don't quite hit the line, you know, if I was cutting it on the line and I missed a little, you wouldn't see it. So that's why I like adding that border. So we'll just keep cutting around this. Now, some of the patterns in this designer series paper are actually coordinating with some of the dies that come in that Plentiful Plants bundle. So you can cut out some of the pots, some of the leaves. They coordinate with the dies, which is really handy. But these ones with the whole pot and plant don't have a coordinating die, hence I am cutting them out. But as you can see, they're not too hard to cut out, so I like that. Now, of course, the best part about this is if you place a $50 purchase in my online store, you can get a free PDF featuring 12 awesome project tutorials with this all-star tutorial bundle that we put out each month. The cards are amazing. There's a video to go with each one, and then of course there's photos. We even include dimensions in both English units and metric units for the appropriate sized papers in those regions. And it's a great value. You can also purchase it for $15, and all of the links to either shop or purchase this PDF can be found in the description of my video below. Okay, so there we go. Isn't that awesome? So cute. All right, so let's put our card together. Now, you can pop these up or glue them directly to your card. I love to pop stuff up. So we're going to pop this up with some dimensionals, my favorite thing. And I am shooting this video. You might notice it looks a little different. I'm shooting this video on location from my bestie's Barb's house here in Sheridan, Wyoming. And I'm with my other bestie, Kelly. We're having a great time. There have been several unicorn pooper fights. If you're not sure what that is, you definitely need to watch my live video from this week, and I'll put that at the very end of this video linked for you. It's worth it. Okay, so I'm just going to place this on here like so on my card, and that looks very nice. And then I'm going to add a sentiment. One of the things I love about this stamp set are there's all kinds of great sentiments that go with this set, and there's kind of, I like to call them innie and outies sentiments, things that go on the inside and the outside of my card. Okay, so I was just going to do a plain old thank you. So let me stick that on my block. And I'm going to use Evening Evergreen ink, which is one of the colors that coordinates with the designer series paper in this suite. And that looks really great. So a very simple card. And we have to coordinate our envelope. So we've got this envelope, and I love taking my envelope flap and adding a little paper to that. So I have a little scrap of paper that I cut, and I'm just going to adhere this to my card. To do that, I'll take my seal and just run a couple of lines on here. And then we'll trim the edge of the envelope. So that's really easy to do. Okay, so then I just flip that envelope over, and then I'm going to trim the edge right against the flap of the envelope of my DSP. Like so. Ooh, I might have just missed the edge of that, but nobody will know because we would never tell. Okay, so look at that. Now your envelope coordinates with your card. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let me show you a couple others that I did. They're all just so simple. Look at how cute this one is. I love the pot and I love the leaves. They're so fun. Here's another really cute one, to a dear friend. And then this one says, "You were there and I am very grateful." It's just so cute. So you can make so many easy cards featuring that designer series paper. And they all come together really quickly. You can also stamp and just stamp the different pots and leaves with the stamp set too if you want. Or once you use up all your paper, you can just use the stamped images to do the same kind of card as well. So it's all really fun and easy to do. Last but not least, if as I mentioned, if you spend $50 in my online store, you'll get this PDF for free as my gift to you. And also happening from December 8th, which is today, there's free shipping on orders of $50 or more. So take advantage of that. And then from today until the end of the month, if you spend $100 or more in my store, you'll get the PDF. Plus you'll also get a free card kit that I have put together featuring some new products. And you'll get to make these awesome cards. All that you need to create the cards is adhesive and a sentiment set of your choice. So that is a really great deal. That is going through the end of this month of December 2021. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. If you could give me a thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel right here in the corner, I would be so grateful. Have a great day, and thanks for stamping with me, guys. Bye.